It was good, y'all. J-Trees here. We're back with another time recording today, and we're gonna see how we go. So I'm on another top step account, like I mentioned before. Creating the same account as last live, so we'll see what happens there. Pulling out on gold right now. Gold is still very bullish. We did take out this structure here, so I'm hoping it goes down. But if we don't get confirmation, obviously I'm not gonna just short. On EU, I would love to buy EU. But so far, gold is setting up the nicest. Let's see. Gold to the downside is what I'm thinking right now. Oh, the candle flip bullish. It did not try to close below. Ooh, stop loss. Place it there. Case of spread. What's our target? Our target is gonna be down here. I don't want to get too greedy. That's a pretty good risk reward there already. 1 to 4. Okay, stopped out by a tick, I think. There by a tick. And oil is just pushing like crazy. No chance really of an entry at all in oil. Oil tapped into 4 hours. Demand is just ranging between two high time frame point of interest. But high time frame 4 hour oil is bearish. But we have so much liquidity above for oil to take out all of this right here. I wouldn't take a POI off any of these. I'd rather play the continuation, I'm not gonna lie. So I'll set an alert on oil, see if we can get some type of pullback that we can enter. And I'm actually currently looking at gold as well. Gold is dropping now after taking this out. Look at that. I would take an entry model, but it'll be a different entry model this time. Because I need to have higher confluence for this. It'll depend on how this candle reacts here. Then there'll be one lot. I'm in. Stop loss. I would prefer to put it here, but I'll put it here to be safe. That's crazy how we got wicked barely. That happens sometimes when you're entering off 1 minute. So imagine people entering off the seconds. Yikes, bro. Yikes. Tilt meter saying most people are long in gold. It's gonna be interesting. I just realized we tapped into a 30-second demand earlier. That's crazy. I didn't really look at 30 seconds just because it's just not accurate. Most times it causes a reaction, but doesn't cause a whole move. So, I mean, we'll see if the 30-second goes a 30-second right here. We'll see if this held or not. And if it did, I'm gonna switch to buying an entry off of here. Let me get a pullback. So let's see how many. It's 11 or 11%. Pullback would be 0.6. I could do 2 here. Wow, let's see if we get filled here. Hopefully there's a pull. We'll pull back then rip. Because this is trendline liquidity here. This is gonna get taken out super fast. It's crazy. 30-second and held, I guess. He was moving so slow, there's nothing to take on the U. Same with oil. Oil is just super slow right now. No, I think I just left that 0 on, so I'm gonna remove the limit order. No, we have a chance to enter here to take out this high. Read 2 contract. My stop would be, I mean, technically it'd be down here, but I feel like this thing's just gonna push. Looking at oil right now, I want to pull back on oil so I can push this further up. This is very, very premium though. An oil right here. Let me show you guys up here. I think it would be 2 cons. Yeah, that'll be 2 cons. Pretty risky here just because of how high up it is, but it's creating block flow, pushing up, respecting demand every single time. And then my target for this, I was thinking, is that, but we can go in the higher time frame. And see, we do have supply there. Can't see anything on the 4 hours, so I'll keep it there. We'll take this out for sure. Alright, we got filled somewhere for gold. Please. Yep. We got filled. Jeez. Being skyrocketed. Broke that. It's just unfortunate, man. There's a 30-second demand here. I held. Just pretty stupid. If I saw that earlier, I would have potentially taken this way earlier entry. The only problem with this though is because it's 30 seconds, these don't hold well. Just from my experience. And when at times they do hold, it seems like it works, so whatever. Well, I will reanalyze this trade for today later so I can learn from it. This was fake chalk. Who would sell here, taken out, just for it to go in high time frame. Momentum because we tapped into 1 hour demand. So you gotta pay attention to. And EU took inducement and just went up, so I think for EU I'm just not going to take any trade here. I know on oil we're taking any trade. Oil, we're still in this. see. It should still push up from here. This is liquidity. So I'll be holding this position. I'm trying to move my stop here because it's gonna react from this demand right here. I don't want to get slipped. Let me move my target down here. This. There's that nice reaction we were looking for. Alright, I think we can move our stop here now. Pretty bullish price action going up. And then if you guys want to see what I see on EU, there's nothing. It's ranging. I need to get the bro. Alright, Reesh. But yeah, it's just ranging here. I was hoping for to have a nice pullback, continue buying, but nope, just ranging. So nothing you can do here. It's just a waiting game. Let's see, Euro is creating its own new. Let's see, Euro is indeed creating its own new price action to push up. It seems right here. Reacting off OB. I'm gonna take it. This is what I see. I'm gonna take it right here. Reacted off this after sweeping out people already, so we can buy here pretty safely. I prefer to put my stop not down here, but that'll be the proper place to put it. And I think we were actually out of lot size. Yeah, that's the max. Unfortunately, we can only risk this amount. If we get stopped out in oil, I can actually risk more. I think we get stopped down in oil. Let's see. Okay, got stopped down oil. I'll add 2 here. So then we can risk the no amount. Euro. This is not a good risk reward, I will say. I just found this setup a little bit later. It's not a good risk reward. For oil, honestly, I really don't see what it reacted off of. I'm gonna be honest, y'all. I don't see a single thing it reacted off. And sometimes, you know, price does that, and there's nothing you can do. Literally nothing you can do. Just reacts off nothing. I mean, I'm sure there's probably something on the seconds, but usually I don't pay attention to that. Say I see a tiny micro reaction. Do you see something very tiny? I don't think you'll see on the futures chart. That's what I'm saying. So it's pretty tough. I'm not gonna lie. One of my models did form for oil to go short. Let's see. We would take a continuation in oil. I'm gonna move my stop here, or my TP here. On Euro, if we go in the higher time frame. If I entered normally, it would have been a 3R. But on a higher time frame, what I'm seeing is, let's see where Euro's heading to, actually. Man, I gotta remove some of these indicators. I think I have too many algos going on my trading view. I'd be flashing. That's tough. That is tough. Oil. My model already presented itself. I'm looking for. Let's see if I can see it. I don't think you guys can see it. No, you can't even see the micro supply it tapped into here. We did create my model here though. I think I'm gonna sacrifice one of my Euro trades here real quick. See if I can get a miniature trade on here. Not risking too much, honestly. In fact, I could put my stop. I could put my stop loss up here to be safe, but I think the proper place is here. We're creating more block flow, and then my target's gonna be, let's see. Let's see. I try to draw equilibrium. I'll say my target is that, which is, yeah, this is about equilibrium of this range that we'll target with this range right here. It's about the middle, especially because, like I mentioned, on oil, we tapped into 4 hour. We're ranging between basically two major zones. And actually on let's see. Yeah, on a daily, we are very bullish for the day. So do I see price go anywhere on the higher time frame? Yes, I do see it pushing higher. I do see it pushing higher into another high time frame. So I would like to take this quick little short and then buy up, essentially. That is the plan. I want to see price come up here. When we tap that as a demand, once we get a demand trade, I want to see price tap up there. I mean, theoretically, this could be all inducement and price actually reacts off here. I hope not. I prefer the price to come down here. And so we can take a better buy. My Euro chart is glitching on TradingView. It's glitching. Oh, we took out the high. I was hoping for us to go a little bit higher because the risk reward is awful, but it's fine. It's honestly fine. And oil just reacted off here. Hopefully it doesn't do anything funky here and push back up. I'll move my stop loss. We'll see if this holds or not. Alright guys, I'm back. My TradingView was bugging like crazy for some reason earlier. I think I need to remove some drawings on my screen, so I have to fix that real quick before I get on here. We'll see what's going on with oil right now. I think I'm gonna put my stop loss to break even. Not too sure what's going on. I think it's just gonna react off here. Let's see. So we'll see. I do prefer though oil to come down to this zone just because that zone is still low high personally for me. In my opinion, for me to buy. Like it comes to discount. In fact, you know, I think I'm gonna keep my stop loss there. Because they could wick me out here and then push down, so I prefer to just keep it there. And the euro I am looking to buy as well. We did get greedy definitely in Europe for sure earlier today. That's for sure. No, this is where we can move the stop to break even. There's no point in price coming back there. Right here if you want. Take this out. Trying to see if there's potential for more downside. I just feel like we tapped into 4 hour. Okay, here's the thing, we tapped into 4 hour supply and demand. We are ranging technically. But 4 hour downtrend actually. We're ranging between these two. And yes, we have unmitigated water supply up there as well. However, we took out this low as well. Be pretty interesting. Certain line of liquidity taken out here. To me, honestly, I see price actually come down here, taking this low out. And the reason why is because we are still downtrending 4 hour. We got a fake structural upside. We just came back to mitigate this. We could pull back there as well, and obviously intraday. I doubt it though, because we already mitigated 4 hour. I mean, we could 1 hour realistically go back up there, but I think we're taking out this low, and then ultimately creating a new low here. But it's too optimistic. I'm gonna leave that low here. So that will be my target. That means we have 3 lots still for whatever position we want, and we're at break even. So we are chilling. We are chilling. Boom, that was a good reaction right there. Pretty far way down though, won't lie. I don't know how long I'm gonna hold this for, but we'll see. I don't want to risk that. I would re-enter on oil though. If we hit break even, come back here, I'm still re-entering. On gold, barely missed. We barely missed. GOI had marked. Yeah, we barely missed it. We have a nice gold entry here. Stop below here. I would love to target that high if we can. But we'll see how far price wants to go.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared.
Low key, I think I know why TradingView's crashing. I think it's because I'm recording. Doesn't really make sense.
Just like a seed in a garden, you will grow to be tall. Staring out over miles of land without it, but wanting to build up.
Wow, okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to probably restart my computer at some point today. This is bad.
Just a couple of bruised up souls that believe that it was worth one more try. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star,
Okay, looks like gold is moving very nicely. Same with oil. Oil I know tapped into actually the demand down here. I'm still personally thinking that oil tanks and takes out everyone here that's buying. Now this wick might have a lot of orders resting here, so I might close like early here. So we'll see based on the momentum. Oh yeah, that's super weird. Euro's the only thing crashing. Okay. Alright, well. Anyway, if you're break even and then gold, it's very good to take out this high right here. You guys can see we're extremely bullish. We're taking out inducement already here. Tapped into an origin here that we technically did not tap into. No matter what time frame you see, it didn't tap into anything. So I was thinking it's one of those situations where price literally just does nothing. It's one of those situations where price just taps into nothing and just reacts. It happens rarely, but it does happen. And that's why sometimes, like, let's say I'm taking a short here, I would try my best to target something not at the extreme, just because sometimes price, like, would do that. So far, positions are running very nicely. We're up one band on this account. Very nice. Whoa, that's a huge wick. Huge wick on gold. We waked into demand. Let's see if this pushes. If this breaks this high right here, we are good to take out that high pretty easily. I'm gonna move my stop to break even here, just in case you're tapping into some type of high time frame supply, which I can actually check right now. Or train view crashes again. Okay, nice. Nice. Order filled, jeez. Okay. Huge move on gold. Huge move. Let's see how oil is doing here. Okay, we have no confirmation to go up from here. We are safe to at least for price to go down to here and then down here. All right, let's see for oil if we want to trail or not. Based on how price is moving, I don't think we need a trail. I think we're good to take out the low. But my analysis on gold is we did tap into high time frame now to go short on gold. So if we want, we could take a gold short here. Let's see. I would prefer to put my stop loss there, but this is technically where price is holding, as that is the zone. So I think I'm gonna put my stop there just to risk one instead. And then I'll choose my target in a bit, honestly. I'm just seeing how it works right now. For some reason I have to change my training views. Now it's working normal, for now at least. So we'll see what happens, but technically you could call this a pullback zone on high time frame just because of why being bullish. Let's see how oil is doing. Oil is going to be carrying us today, for sure. We're at 3 contests right now. I'm looking at NASDAQ here. We're just consolidating a lot. But let's see. I think that was news here or something. Yeah, that was a news candle. We're extremely bullish. We just had a 5-minute break. I would enter. My stop loss would be. It would be down there. I'd prefer to put here, obviously. That's preferred, but down there is safer. It's a lot of accumulation, though. I'm not gonna lie. A lot of accumulation. And you just tapped a 1-minute supply. I can't even see what oil is doing on my trading view, so I'll look over here. We are reacting very strongly off demand here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for a pullback. And price was a pullback to then get in or get out. My current position. I'm out of that. For oil, we did secure at least some profits. Oh, it's a stupid trading view. Is just broken? Okay. Alright, no trading view today. I'm gonna try my best to analyze this. Using this, the only problem with this platform is it's for some reason the charts, I don't know what broker this is, but it's a little inconsistent. I'm gonna wait for more price to accumulate, create itself structure, and then if there's block flow, we can push up. Because this is lasting holding price right here. So NQ just ranging like crazy. Like crazy. I hope you'll get a solid 3R-ish out of this. If I want to target the high, we could get even nicer. What I'm thinking right now is there's a high chance we can hit the high just because of we did not break we did not break this low. This was basically a failure swing. And what's great about day trading is actually, if you guys don't know, is you're able to essentially take positions both up and down. So we can capitalize on making money in the market within a few minutes, basically going up or down. It doesn't have to be one direction. You don't have to have a bias of only taking trades in one direction. Though some days you will have price action where you should only take one direction. But most days you can capitalize on mitigation and such on going up and down in price. That's what gold is doing. Gold is messing around. The only reason why I had a bias of going short is because it tapped into strong supply on the 4-hour. But we have to keep in mind this is also a pullback, right? Because high time frame we are. Oh, we're pushing out. Let's see how big of a pullback this can make though. Technically you could say this move down earlier was the pullback here. Like theoretically, yes, this could have been the pullback. You guys want to talk about that? But we'll see. We'll see. I believe I did get stop break even here though. We took this trade, which is unfortunate. We held this high. But did not create a new low. We've also been testing to see if I want to close trades off of intuition, meaning when I see stuff like this, how price is moving while I'm in drawdown or in my entry, I close it early to reduce my loss. I'm not too sure whether or not when I want to do that or not yet. I'm still thinking about it. It all depends on data collection, right? I know my system currently is already profitable, so I don't want to add too many variables to it, you know? But that is my analysis here. I'm gonna think price is going to, let's see. We have unmitigated zone here still. I don't know if this actually tapped on other brokers or not. I'm gonna put it there for now. I want to check on oil. Oh, we created the block flow that I was talking about here. Look. So now that we create block flow, let's see, 15-minute. Five minute. 1 minute. Again, here's the thing. We can have a retracement up here and still push down. You know? So you want a good entry where you can break even early. And what I'm thinking right now is taking, I could take out this OB, stop below here, or take out the 50%. Stop can also be down here. It would be definitely more risky. I'm gonna try to take this. We have 3 I forgot how many contracts they use for this. See if we can get a fill in here though. Of 1 contract first. Put buy order there. And if it doesn't fill us, it's all good. What's NQ doing? Okay, my TP is gonna be up here. I'm break even also on here. This would be the extreme right here. This right here is not the extreme. Nice wick. Had a nice wick reaction there. Off a seconds demand right here. See if you guys can see it. Right there. See if this holds. And also I think I can trail here too if I really want to. That'd be half my profits though, I'm not gonna lie. If only Train View could open up and work, that'd be great, but I'm confused honestly. If I put it here, does that mean I Oh, okay. I did not know that. Okay, so I got trail my for my stop next time. Okay. Yeah. I wasn't sure which one I was supposed to use, but anyway, I'll take it, I guess. It was about 2R, not the best, honestly. I usually aim for 4 to 5, but today was just not the best price action for me. Alright, board is coming back for us. Now, it's holding this internal or external low. In this situation, I could have gone break even, or I wait for a confirmation and re-enter. That's how I see it. If you go on oil, we got entered into our limit order. We could also get another position in. Alright, there's our risk right there on oil. I don't like how we didn't break structure here though. A weird candle. But we are trading at the extreme, so if this doesn't hold, price is gonna break this low. And a TP can be up here. Alright, movement stop loss to here. I'm gonna start tightly trailing because I'm about to probably stop training soon. Yeah, and I don't mind securing 4R in a day. Gold is very interesting right now. Move stop here. It gave me a nice reaction off there, off that zone. If it breaks that zone, we're invalid. There's nothing holding price. Take out this trend line liquidity actually right here. And pushing higher. Invalidating the 4-hour supply. But I do really hope for a big move off the 4-hour supply though. Just don't know if we'll get it. Alright, stop loss hit on oil. Equal lows. Alright, we made an inverse. So I'm gonna take a short here on oil. Oh. So we get filled there. Nope. Come on, oil. I know you want it. What? There we go. Stop is there. I could move it here technically also. But give some breathing room. And then original thesis, we said we're taking out the lows. We could even target here. Alright. We're now very good right now. Gold.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every start,
Let's see if oil's gonna hold the low actually. Or not hold the low, break the low. I love it to break the low right here. I hate this tool, dude. I need to stop using this arrow. If we can break that low, we are good to melt. Now, of course, this is a preamble entry. If we waited for a low to break, it would be a higher win rate, of course. But I'm willing to take the risk here. For a better risk reward. I think this is 1 to 3. Not too bad. I'll take it.
just like a seed in a garden, you will grow to be tall, staring out over miles of land without it, but wanting to build up walls.
And for gold, what we can do for
Lift me up in your
our analysis here is I can guarantee we break this low here. Since we broke this external, the only thing is, are we gonna reject here? This broker tapped it or it didn't? If it didn't tap that, we can go down here. We can definitely go down here. And wow, look at NQ. If we trailed, I would have been in here still, unfortunately. But it's all good. It is what it is. Jeez, it's gonna take out that high. Guarantee it. That's tough. Like I said, we held the lows, which is it's a super important market structure thing actually. You guys don't understand it. If we have a failure swing, it's a pretty big sign. It's a really good confluence just from my experience. Just like on gold, we tapped in a 4-hour supply. That doesn't mean we're gonna drop though. This could have been the pullback on 4 hour. That's it. However, because we held the high here, we were able to take advantage and essentially, you know, have bias to go down even further. Let's see it. Now, technically, you can say risk reward here is 7.5, but we'll go off original risk, which is above this high, 3.86. Go back to oil. These are going to be the last 2 trades of today for me. I'm not taking any more trades today. I'll be very happy if we hit these. Because you guys don't know, I copy accounts as well. So these will be great trades. I have to check later. I don't think I copied today. We'll have to see if I did or not. I copied last stream for y'all. Okay, if we want to go on the gold, do some predictions. If we go on, the thing is, daily is too high time frame for me. Daily usually, all I know from this is, since we have a bearish daily bias that I do teach in a course, and that we got more than 50% of that candle, we could potentially come down to this low right here, which would be a big, but who knows how long that will take. That's the thing. So on a low time frame, everything is pretty mitigated here. We do have power F4 today. And just based on P&L, I know oil hasn't broken the low yet, so. What happened to oil? Dang. Got taken out. Maybe price really wants to go up, huh? No trades here in honestly for me. If I try taking this long, I could, but for gold right now, I really don't see anything target-wise for 1 hour. We can go on 30-minute. 30-minute, I don't see anything. 15-minute, I don't see anything. Since we're trading off a 4-hour supply, we gotta find like a bigger target. That's the thing. If we want to maximize this trade, I don't see anything on any time frame really. I'm not gonna target there for real though. That's too far for intraday. I just want to leave a runner, but I don't leave runners. I'm gonna be honest. I would got stopped out break even here probably if I entered. Yeah, I would got stopped out break even anyway. I would love to forego the target. So here's the thing, there's two TPs I could do here as TP, or I take price down here. Now the difference is a pretty big difference. I'll say it's a double reward difference. I'm gonna take the 920 honestly in my opinion. So we'll just see what happens. And I'm thinking we're going break even or not here. The thing is, this could just be inducement for this. So I think going break even is too early. So I can move my stop around. I'll move it a little bit up here. I'll keep it there. It's fine. And look at what it did. Took out the low. Or equal lows. I can't tell if that took out the low or not. We basically got swept here. Too tight of a stop loss. That is my fault. That is my fault. Supply here. That is my fault right there. We mitigated once again, creating equal highs there. If we want to enter here, since I'm very confident price going down, if we did break this, I can't tell if we did or not. We can enter off 50% here. That's if we get filled though. If we don't get filled, then it is what it is. Is this unmitigated? Oh snap, I think it is. I think we did have unmitigated there. I can't tell off this broker. I would love to get filled down this trade here. If I did enter there with that stop loss, it's only a 1-to-1. I don't like that. I really rather take a 2-to-1. This is not one of those systems where I trade 1-to-1s, so not doing that. Not doing that. I think the same thing that happened to us yesterday, actually. I was predicting, I think yesterday was gold or something to take out. I think it was taking out low. That should have held the whole way. And same thing occurred today, basically. It is what it is. We learned from it. For our supply, tapped into it. For our downtrend, it was bound to take out the low. Well, it did the first time, actually. Yeah.